Hey everyone, let me show you step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this Bridesmaid Glam night makeup. First step is lip prepping. This helps in making your lip liner glide onto your lips very smoothly. Next step is skin prepping using the OG moisturizer. This is the Nivea Soft Moisturizer and this is the best. But if fragrance is a concerning factor for you, just skip it. Also moisturize your eyes properly to make your concealers blend seamlessly. For the base, I'm using a soft matte foundation and this is from the brand Too Faced. Picking a soft matte foundation is like being on a safe side because you can never estimate the weather and most of the night events happen outdoors. And this foundation brush is a game changer. This gives very minimal streaks. So when blending, I'm dabbing it and dragging it a little bit so that I get very minimal streaks and a seamless blend. So for the forehead part, I'm not taking any extra foundation and using the foundation that's left on the brush and just swiping it. Before going in with an eyeshadow, use a lighter shade of concealer to make those eyeshadow colors pop and also to make the eyelids even. Don't be generous with your base products because the more product you apply, the more time it takes to blend, and with more ease the product will move when you sweat. After using a highlighting shade, use a concealer shade that is your skin tone match. For blending, you can use a concealer brush, but here I'm taking the same foundation brush to make the blend seamless. For eyes, taking this beautiful eyeshadow palette. First, packing this brown eyeshadow onto the outer corner of the eye and then slowly in circular motions going from the outer crease area to the inner crease area. And then using the same shade underneath the lower waterline. For a smoky eyeliner effect, use a kajal which is creamy and that smudges, but after it settles down, it should be smudge proof and also water resistant. So apply this on your upper lash line and on your lower waterline. Then take a brush which is not very fluffy but has a moment, smudge with it. If desired, apply more kajal and smudge it. Now pick any shimmer shade that matches your outfit. Here I'm taking the shade that is not too goldeny. I'm taking a champagne shade because I need to match it with my outfit. So my sari has some rhinestones and silver detailing, so I picked this shade. As I'll be applying false eyelashes, I'm not picking a mascara that gives too much of a volume. Just I need a black shade to my lashes and also waterproof formula. Coating both the upper and bottom lashes in a wiggling motion. Now applying false eyelashes using a white glue and letting it sit for 30 seconds or more until it dries down to a transparent color. Then stick it very close to the lash line and press both your natural and artificial falsies together. For the eyebrows, you can fill it with more pressure from the arch to the tail part of the brow, but for the outlining, do only bottom outlining for the beginning part of the brows. So the concept here is apply less pressure in the beginning part of the brow, and while you go from arch to the tail, increase the pressure and fill your brows. And then brush it out with spoolie to make the product blend in with your natural eyebrows. See, now the eyebrows look defined yet natural. You can generally pick a compact powder, but here I'm using a loose powder and taking a puff, folding it to form that triangle shape. But you can just take a triangle puff or pizza puff, or you can even choose a beauty blender but only dry for powders, and just taking off the excess and packing it under my eyes. So what this does is it gives more coverage. When you pack the powder or dab the powder or press the powder under your eyes and let it sit for few minutes and then just brush it away, it gives more coverage. So if you are going in for a more highlighted effect with powders, you can go in with loose powder. Next, taking a blush that has cream to powder formula. You can even pick a powder blush, but do not choose a cream blush because it might disturb the powder you have just applied. And just applying this blush on my cheeks. And with an angular brush, I'm taking this contour shade, dabbing off the excess, and with very light hand, I'm just going in under my blush, and I have natural contour line, so I'm going on my natural contour line on my jawline. Without taking any extra contour product, just sweep the brush onto my forehead. And then now taking a champagne highlighter onto a fluffy brush. And for the highlighter, also going in with a very light hand and highlighting the areas that need the most shine. So now the entire base makeup is ready. We are just brushing out the loose powder that we have applied. Using some powder on my forehead too. Applying the same shimmer shade in the inner corners of my eye. Now with the help of dark brown lip liner, I'm going to outline my lips. Also, I'm going to cuff my lips. So I'm filling each corner of my lips, and in the middle part, I'm going to apply this brown mocha nude. First apply a lighter layer of this lipstick, blend it, and then again apply one more coat of this lipstick and again blend it with your lip liner. Here I'm using fingers to blend, but you can use a lip brush and again going in with a lip liner to make my lips more defined or contoured. It's a night event, so we need more sparkle. So using a sparkly lip gloss, you can even go in with a transparent lip gloss, but this lip gloss is just giving. This glittery lip combo complements the eyes and looks so beautiful on brown skin. Taking the same loose powder onto a brush and using it under my contour area and the areas where I didn't apply powder before. To finish off this look, using two setting sprays, the clear ones for the face. I picked the duo setting spray because we have already kept the base matte. So for the neck, I'm using a glitter setting spray. This doesn't give too much glitter but gives the right amount of shine to your neck. Now let me just wear my jewelry and hair, and this is the final look. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.